Pleasant day, ma'am. Hi, my name is Jorin Golchan and here's my output. Number 1. What was the news all about? News is an information, especially about recent or unimportant events. This can be seen in a forms such as word of mouth, newspaper, broadcasting on radio or television, in an internet or an electronic communication. Number 2. Which institution did the GBV occur? The frontline agencies in addressing GBV cases are the barangay, village level government unit, Philippine National Police o PNP, Local Government Social Welfare and Development Office or LSWDO, and hospitals. However, less than 10% of women who sought help on GBV turn to each of this institution. Number 3. Who is the perpetrator? A person can be the perpetrator, that is, the person inflicting on harm or purpose the victim, the person who is being harmed, or bystander, a person who is witnessing harm being done to someone else. Number 4. Who are the survivors? The survivors often refers to an individual who is going or has gone through the recovery process. Additional, this word is used when discussing a short and long-term effects of sexual violence, and some people identify as a victim while others identify as a survivor. Number 5. What are the rights being violated? We have the right to life, liberty, security, and property. We can have the right to a transparent, credible, competent, and impartial justice system, free from influence of corruption, where wrongs are redressed and justice is dispensed fairly, speedily, and equitably. And that's all, ma'am. Thank you. God bless.